This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending March 1st, 2025. The market finished mixed this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 1.39% on Friday and was up 0.95% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.59% on Friday but was down minus 0.98% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.63% on Friday, but was down minus 3.47% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I can get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was down minus 11.74% this week. Quite a drop, but that doesn't really matter either because I still generated cash flow from Bitcoin. I make cash flow off Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was TerraWolf Incorporated, ticker symbol WULF in the first column. It was up 16.07% on Friday and increased 2.7% for the week. TerraWolf Incorporated develops, owns, and operates Bitcoin mining facilities in New York and Pennsylvania. TerraWolf also hosts Bitcoin mining services for other Bitcoin miners at its facilities. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 5 different option contracts that range from $52.34 to $310.33. I received a total of $828.68 for the 5 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $828.68 this week? Well, I'll probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week, the cash flow amount decreased slightly from the prior week. Last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased minus 10.36%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow or income. What do you use? Work? I hope your back holds out. YouTube? How many views and subscribers do you need? Stock dividends? How often are dividends paid? Quarterly? Monthly? Weekly? And how much do you have to generate at least $2,000 a month? About $500,000? Bonds. What's the interest rates on your bonds? To receive $2,000 a month at a 4% interest rate, you need about $600,000 in bonds. Got that much? Real estate. Well, housing inventory is up, but pending sales are down, and rent is falling too. In Chicago, you need a house or apartment that ranges between $300,000 and $600,000 to generate at least $2,000 a month in rental income. And then you have to handle all the related expenses and problems associated with being a landlord. How much time and money do you spend dealing with landlord issues? My related expenses were zero, and I spent almost no time. Instead, I spend my time doing things like this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and you can hit that notification too. Thank you.